I use a BRAUN electric toothbrush. After 5 years of use, the rubber cover around the button deteriorated and broke. When I flipped over the rubber cover from where it was torn, I found that it was connected to the inside of the mechanism. It was in a dangerous state where a short circuit could occur if water entered from the torn part. I thought the rubber cover was just a non-slip cover, so I thought I'd remove the rubber cover and use it. However, it was a design that could not be done. The switch works by pressing a metal plate further down. There are no electrical contacts between the switch and the metal plate. The rubber cover on the upper side of the rubber cover and the charging lamp part also functions as the waterproof seal. Here too, it is dangerous if it is not properly waterproofed. The charging lamp side cover reuses the original rubber cover. The red part on the top is a warning light that glows red when you press it too much against your teeth. In order to adhere the rubber cover on the lower side, attach it with instant adhesive. Mask with masking tape before filling with caulk. I injected a firm and elastic caulking agent into the back of the switch part. Car caulk made by MA-nyan for automobile maintenance was used as the caulking agent. I also filled the top hole with caulk. Checking whether the switch works properly and whether the caulking agent is cracked or peeled off. Make a paper pattern to make a deteriorated and damaged rubber cover. A rubber sheet with a thickness of 1 mm was just the right thickness. Cut this according to the pattern paper and paste it with instant glue. After applying instant adhesive and attaching the rubber sheet, fix it firmly with masking tape. Add some caulking and adjust the overall shape, and you're done. Instant glue is poured into the switch part to make it waterproof. After repairing, check the operation. Waterproofing was done well, and all functions worked normally. I think this will work for a while.